Good evening. Today I'm going to discuss about the array. Array is nothing but we having a group of elements of a same kind, that is same data type, that are stored in the single and contiguous block of memory. So see this here. So first index is 0 and it will be stored is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it will be goes on. So that will be named as indexes. So the memory will be stored contiguous block of memory. So here in this we having an, so say the array name is the same name which contains 10 elements. Here it will store as 10 elements. It can store the data element as 10, value as 10. So here we having a 2 bytes. If suppose we having an integer holds the 10 values. So it first one holds a 2 integers, second one have 2 bytes, third one 2 bytes. Likewise, we having a storage of 10 values. It has a code optimization. Advantages of arrays is code optimization. It makes the code optimized. We can retrieve or sort the data efficiently. So random access, we can get the any data located at any index positions. The disadvantages is size limit. So the array have an fixed size and do not grow dynamically at runtimes. The types of data. So types of arrays in Java. So there are two types of arrays. One is single dimensional array and another one is multi-dimensional array. So here the single dimensional array is nothing but we having a linear collections of elements of a same data type. It is declared and initiated using the following syntax. So data type within square bracket space ARR, that is array name, or data type space square bracket array ARR, or data type ARR square bracket. So these combinations, these are the different for single dimensional arrays syntax. So installation of array in Java. So array name equal to new array data type of size, new data types of size. So the new will be the memory allocations. So new will be the memory allocations for the data type. So here these examples of the Java type. So one where class test array. What is the meaning of this one is we have to list out the elements which holds the value as A. Okay, so the we having an array name as A which holds the value have 5 elements. We are going to store the 5 elements. That is the meaning of this. So public static void main string args, then int a integer a of equal to new int of 5. So declarations and installation will be done in the single line. So where the memory will be allocated and the size will be marked in the with the 5 with the limit of 5. So a of 0 will be stored as 10. A of 1 will be stored as 20, and A of 2 will be the value will be stored as 70, and A of 3 will be stored as 40, and A of 4 will be stored as 50. So for int I equal to 0, I is less than or equal to a dot length, then I plus plus. So I equal to 0, I is less than a dot length I plus plus. So what is the meaning of this? System dot outer println of a of I is nothing but, so this a of 0 to a of 4 will be print in the order. So the iterations will be 4 from 0 to 4. So after fifth element, it will be checking. When sixth element will come, it will be come out of the for loop and end of the program. So that is the program. So here this is the declaration, installation, and the initializations of Java array. So int a equal to 33, 3, 4, 5. So the value will be 33. A of 0 will be stored in 33, and A of 1 will be stored in 3, and A of 2 will be stored in 4, and A of 4 will be stored in 3 will be stored in 5. So this is the procedure. So now we are int a of equal to 33, 3, 4, 5. We are going to declare in the program. So after that, we are going to print this. Whenever the array value we are printing, we will use the for loop. For int I equal to 0, I is less than a dot length, the I plus plus. So system dot outer println is a of I. So next one is for each loop. So why we are going for each is for data type variable colon array, the body of the loop. So why the prints the array by one. It holds an array element in a variable, then executes the body of the loop. So this is the for each loops. Okay. So multi-dimensional array. So multi-dimensional array in Java is nothing but it is an array of arrays where each element can be an array itself. It is useful for storing data in a row and column format. So the multi-dimensional array in Java is an array of array where each element can be an array itself. It is useful for storing data in row and column format. So syntax to declare multi-dimensional array in Java. So here data type of array space array value. Same way we have a space array reference value. Then same way array reference variable or square bracket, that is row and column, and then data type row wise array reference of column wise. So it is also possible. So int of array equal to new int of 3,3. So 3 rows and 3 columns will be allocated. So here this is the program. So int array of equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9. So this is the 3 cross 3 matrix. So we are going to use two loops. One is for ith loop and another one is jth loop. So ith row and jth column will be printing. So first one is ith row for I equal to 0, I is less than 3 and I plus plus. Next one is I is less than j equal to 0, j is less than 3, j is j plus plus. So a or of j I comma j will be stored in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9 will be in this order. Thank you.